Good evening and welcome to Your Call. It's the only program on Indian television where you, the viewer, can ask questions directly to our newsmaker of the week. Joining me tonight is Rajan Bharti Mittal, Vice Chairman and Managing Director of Bharti Enterprises, also the Chairman of the Bharti Walmart joint venture, and someone who's watching keenly the ongoing political war on foreign direct investment in multi-brand retail in India. Mr. Mittal, thank you so much for joining me tonight. It's amazing how much in India has changed in 1 week. Last week, I'm sure businessmen like yourselves must have welcomed the cabinet decision to clear it. Now we see the formal notification has been postponed. We don't know if and when it will happen. What's your view today? What's the change in your view from 1 week ago?
No, my view remains as optimistic as it was, and I've always said that this is something which is good for the country. While we've seen the notification, while we've seen the cabinet decision, we're awaiting for further to see the notification to come in. I have heard statements coming from the department saying they are in the process of doing so. We'll have to wait. But all I can say is the industry, the entire retail industry, the Retail Federation has really welcomed this move.
You're still optimistic. You haven't been disappointed by what we've seen of the paralysis of Parliament or about the political fighting over this?
Well, I would say, as I've said earlier, this is a very calibrated approach. They have said cities over 1 million, which is about 53 cities. They have put some safeguards. My only, submission, humble kind of plea to everybody is allow this experiment. I mean, there's nothing that we are doing which is on a pan-India or on a basis. Allow this experiment. This will help the country. This will help all the stakeholders. They should have a debate. If that be the, reason for them to engage each other, a conversation is always welcome.
One issue we've heard many business leaders talk about is policy paralysis. It's now translated into policy move and parliament paralysis. Ratan Tata has tweeted this week about this, saying that you must put aside political differences for the good of India. Do you think that what is happening now is not good for India's economy? We've seen recent GDP figures as well at 6.9%. How worried are you about that?
No, we've been saying that US is still fragile. Europe has its own set of problems. India still remains a destination, and India can remain a destination of choice for investors to come in. Of course, they will look into the policy, how policy matters are dealt with. Clearly, you've heard other people saying that. I think it is important that certain decisions which are in the interest of the nation and the growth of the economics over a period of time must be dealt with in the right way. So clearly, then this decision has been taken. As I said, allow this experiment to take place. Let the results be shown on the ground for people to understand that this is going to help the manufacturing community, the farmer community, the consumers, and generation of employment. So I think while a debate is always fine, a conversation should happen, but we must have a time frame and timeline and say, fine, we are going to let this happen.
What is the impact you feel, not just of this, but of the sudden slowdown in what people would call decision-making? Because we've seen, in fact, your brother, Sunil Mittal, had written an open letter to the opposition before this parliament session. He didn't, of course, know then that this would happen, but it seems almost like a premonition that's saying, we have to let economic reform move, that parties must come together for economic reform. What do you think the impact is if things don't go ahead or decisions aren't taken and implemented?
Well, I think this will leave an impact for sure, that if we are taking decisions and they are not, kind of follow through. But as I said, our hope, and we're optimists that finally sense will prevail. People will have a conversation. People will see to it that this is being done with a calibrated approach, keeping all stakeholders. I hope that this sense prevails and this decision starts, taking its shape, and we will see the results in times to come.
Let me just, because you're not a politician, but let me play to you some of the political bites that have dominated over Walmart in the last week. Let's just have a look at that.
No study except this pressure, international pressure. और ये सरकार अमेरिका, ब्रिटेन और फ्रांस के लोगों को काम देने के लिए हिंदुस्तान के लाखों लोगों को बेरोजगार कर रही है.
Entry of foreign direct investment in the retail sector will spell havoc for the country. East India Company also came in the form of trade, but later they took up governance. I feel that this entry of foreign direct investment in the retail sector will spell havoc for the country.
They are industrialists. I do not know, maybe from their position they think they can make huge profit.
अभी आप कहते हैं किसानों को भलाई होगी, अरे किसानों की भलाई होगी ये सोच अगर आपके दिल में होती तो आज़ादी के 65 साल में ये आत्महत्या क्यों होते हैं?
इसलिए गुस्सा आ रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ गरीबों की भूमि का अधिग्रहण हुआ और अब गरीबों के रोजगार का अधिग्रहण करेगी एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी। अगर वॉलमार्ट कंपनी ने एक भी शॉपिंग मॉल में या कहीं भी अपना मॉल खोलने की कोशिश की तो अपने हाथ से उसमें आग लगाऊंगी और मैं जेल जाने के लिए तैयार रहूंगी।
You've listened very patiently to all the criticism which all the political parties have had against the government and against companies like yours and Walmart. In fact, for Walmart, this is probably the worst publicity to be likened to the East India Company. What would you say to these strong reactions that have come in?
Look, I've heard it, but let me stay on course. I don't want to engage the political side. It's for the politicians to handle it. Let me say, I've heard this debate as part of this whole growth story of India for the last 20 years. I've heard in telecom. Same people of that kind used to say, what will happen to India when telecom comes in?
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.